Harvey, I have some cheese. Harvey. There you go. Are you mad about your little hat? You want some more cheese? Want some more cheese? Well, okay, buddy, right here. Let me fix your hat first. Okay. Okay, look here. Yum, yum. Good boy. Look here. Your hat's messed up again. Well done, we need to fix the hat. Okay. Good boy, that was perfect. Good boy, Harvey. Can I get a wag? Harvey, where's my wags? Waggy, 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 waggy. Say, I'm pissed. I am unhappy. Oh, look at you. You're so unhappy. Where's the rest of my cheese? Okay, good boy.